Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I have something fun to go through with you. I got my Ginger Quilter Box in the mail. I love this box. I get questions why I go through this box every single time I get one. And I go through this box every single time I get one because I want to show you what you can expect with these subscription boxes. They're really popular and they're a good price point if you want to get a gift or you want to get something for yourself, you want to get a surprise in the mail, you just want something new and different to kind of shake up your creativity. These boxes like this, these subscription boxes are a great way to do it, but there's so many different choices out there that you want to know what it is you're getting into before you spend your hard-earned money on something that may or may not be what you want. If you're new to my channel, most of the times I share tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter. Occasionally we go off track just a little bit because you know what? That's how life rolls. All right, so let's get into this box. You hear that? There's something small in there. We'll see. I haven't even undone the tape on this one. I haven't opened this one at all. Reason number 997 of You Know You're a Quilter When. You were surrounded by 7 different pairs of scissors, but you don't want to use those scissors to open your packages because those are fabric scissors. And we got to go all the way to the other room to get to the kitchen scissors that you can actually use on opening a box. The Ginger Quilter Box is a woman-owned company by a lady named Natalie, and she is so adorable. Her boxes come every single month. You can do different subscription, sizes, whether you want to do just 1 month, you want to do 3 months, you want to do 6 months, you want to do 9 months, so on and so forth. For the most up-to-date prices, always go to her website, which I will have linked in the description box down below so that you can sign up for the Ginger Quilter Box. Okay, so this one has some gorgeous fabric in there. There's some treats, some quilt block soap, all kinds of fun things. But this exactly right here is what we're looking for. So this is a pamphlet that's going to show us everything that's in the box. This theme is barn quilts. It's February 2024. And I'm just going to kind of go through this. If you want to read all of this, you're welcome to pause this video and go ahead and read it. But this is everything that's included in the box. All right, let's go through this fabric. Look at these happy spring things. I know there's a pattern down here at the bottom, but I can't help it. We're going to go and we're going to like play with this fabric first. Look how gorgeous these are. Oh, that one is attached to the fabric. All right. We're going to skip over that because I want to finish looking at these fabrics. Look how pretty this is. Oh, I love it. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's look at this. So this is a Barnstar 5 by Coriander Quilts, and it is a Corey Yoder pattern. And it's a wall hanging. Finished size is 40-inch square. So it's a really good size wall hanging. And what we've got in here is we have all of the fabric to do it except for the backing. Okay, normally the backings are not included. That's kind of on your own. But we've got enough fabric here to make the block. Look at this cute cow lollipop. Is he not the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. I'm in love with him. He's so cute. I love him. And then last, which we saw a little bit beforehand, were the quilt block soaps. It's from soapescape.etsy.com is who this is from. And it's here in the US and it is made in Colorado. And I'm going to open this up. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I almost don't want to use it, but this is definitely going in the little half bath that is attached to my sewing room because how cute is that? It's like the perfect little size soap. And so this pattern is Barnstar 5 and it's a very little pattern, but I'm going to open it up and see all of the steps because one thing that I really like about these boxes is that they're very detailed. They're not meant for really advanced quilters. They're kind of meant for I'd say intermediate beginner-ish, right in that range. You don't have to know everything in the quilting world, but you do need to know a couple things. Look at these really nice instructions. So Corey Yoder is a fabric designer, pattern designer. I'd say she's got a good place in the quilting world. She's definitely on solid ground in the quilting world. So everything on this pattern right here, you can see is very nicely illustrated, right? Steps by step. So you can see if you like to read the instructions or you like to just go by the diagrams, you have that option with these. So the theme of this quilt box is Barnstar. I actually went on a driving journey a couple years ago around just here in Texas. It was like, I don't know, let's say like a 4-5-hour loop that I went just kind of like out of Houston where I'm from, up and around like Texas Hill Country. And there's like Barnstar paths that you can go on. So this Barnstar tradition goes all the way back to like the 1800s when like paint started to become more affordable here in the US and people were able to you know, kind of make use of it, do a little bit of art. And these quilt blocks each had symbols. So yes, they hung on the outside of your barn and it was there so that people passing by could see it. You know, they symbolize things like hope and strength. And sometimes it was just in memory of a certain person or somebody that was close to you. And the colors all had meanings too. So there was like this whole deep meaning that went into it. It wasn't just something pretty, but it was also something pretty. Okay, so it's not just something pretty, but it did turn out to be something pretty. So I want to show you a couple pictures from the journey that I went on driving where we could see some of the ones that were out in the Texas Hill Country. It's fun. If you have an area like this in your town or in your state where you can go and tour these rural areas and see these Barnstars, if you haven't seen them before, start looking out for them, especially if you're in rural areas. You will see them kind of pop up now and then, and it's always a really nice, fun surprise when you do see them. It's just like, you know, a little secret message passed from you and, you know, a stranger that you don't even know. It's a little bit of quilty love that's spread, and it's fascinated me. I love them. I love to see them. I love to find them when we're out, you know, driving through the Texas Hill Country or through other states. And yes, this one is in fabric, but it is still a nod to those traditional barn quilts. So I hope you enjoyed looking through this. If you are interested in subscribing to the Ginger Quilter Box, make sure you check the link down in the description. I also have a couple coupon codes there for you that will get you a little bit of savings in there. Hey, do me a favor, please hit subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. It helps YouTube know that what I'm doing and the videos that I put out every single week and the time that I spend every single week making these videos is something that you enjoy watching. Every little bitty click, every like, all of that helps, and I greatly appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to talking with you soon. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. There's some videos right after this part ends. Click on those videos. That leads you to other videos of mine and other videos that are exactly the type of video that you want to watch, okay? Make sure you click those videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.